Set to Fail is an absolute groove metal masterpiece. It's brutal and rhythmically coherent at the same time. To write music as good as this, you need to understand composing concepts which were used in here. So in this video I will break down all music theory concepts from this song and share examples. My goal is to help you apply this theory in your personal songwriting. Long story short, Set to Fail is so cool because there are multiple composing techniques used at once. The main riff has 3 of them, and the final one will be explained as the bonus at the end of this video. To dive deeper into these concepts, you need to understand the basics of rhythm. This is why we'll start from the strong and weak beats. This is a 4-beat bar divided into 16 subdivisions. That means 4 notes for each beat. The first and the third beats are called strong beats. Notes which are positioned here are recognized as anchoring. The second and fourth beats are called the weak beats. Rhythmically, they are less stable than strong beats. Everything in between is called the off beats. They're even less stable than the weak beats. This is the coordinate system for all rhythm-related concepts in music composing. Every note in any riff fits into this system. Now let's break down the techniques from this song. The hidden gem of the song is its use of rhythmic anticipation. It's when the note is played just before the beat and held into the upcoming beat. Just like in the main riff, these notes start early and are carried over the upcoming metronome beat. Rhythmic anticipation is used for building a strong momentum and gain musical interest. Also pay attention, the anticipated notes are not placed randomly. Each of them is positioned on strong beats 1 and 3. That makes this composing trick even more powerful. I want you to really feel how anticipated notes work. Check this out, this is how groove comes into life in this riff. In this song, anticipated notes are used in vocal line as well. Take a look on highlighted parts. Vocal notes here start together with guitar before the upcoming metronome beat.
Somewhere you finally lost your way. Only yourself left to betray.
My mission is to break down the composing theory as simple as possible so you can easily apply it in your personal songwriting. Please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and by leaving me a positive comment. The next theory concepts are repetition and variation. It might seem like a great melody must be unique in its all parts and super complex, but in reality, repetition is a much more powerful thing, because it makes your music predictable and memorable for your listener. Take a look on how many repeating parts are used in this riff. Other parts of this riff are variations. They can be explained as repetitions with modifications. The beauty of this riff lies in how it balances repetition and variation of similar parts. If you want to use variations in your music, the easiest way to do is to change the accented notes to the other from your scale. This is exactly what's done here. The next important concept to learn here is a backbeat. This is a drum technique. It's very important to analyze all musical instruments of a song because listeners hear the entire mix. Don't worry if you don't know how to program drums, because the good news, they follow the same rhythmic rules as I have already described. Some rhythmical techniques are so popular that they have been given the specific names, and the backbeat is the greatest example. It's widely used across metal and rock genres. The backbeat idea is very simple. Snare hits must be placed on weak beats, the second and the fourth. I want to show you it on the screen. Guitar and vocal emphasize strong beats, while drums focus on the weak beats. This creates a sense of wider space in music. As a bonus in this video, I will tell you about the syncopation, which also takes place in this song. It doesn't appear in the main riff, but it's represented in brutal parts. To understand this concept, we need to come back to our rhythmic structure. Syncopation is when the emphasis falls on weak beats or off beats, anywhere except strong beats. Take a look at the intro and the verse riffs. These are the great examples of syncopation. In both cases, the accents fall on the off beats. Even if you play it just with a metronome, the groove will be very strong. Please let me know in the comments below if my lessons really help you in your personal composing. Thanks for watching and see you soon!